Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool paint design, if I say so myself. Just take an oval, let's fill it in with any color, take away the outline, and let's go up to the shape tool and get the twirl, and we need to set it like on maybe like 1 inch. And then just click and start. Well, we need bigger than that. Let's make it 5 inches. Doesn't look like it's doing anything, but it is. Let's go. I guess I wasn't thinking about it. We need to go like to, well, I didn't type in 5. You know what? My number lock was locked on my, here we go. Now, and then just kind of go through here and, maybe stay a little bit longer on some spots than the other. And then once you're kind of happy with that, Control D and make a duplicate. Hold down the Shift key. Turn this one yellow. Maybe mirror it. Control D, make that next one green, whatever color it. Hold down the Shift, make it a little bit bigger. Control D, make it red. And you'd want to maybe mirror it. And you could stretch it, one way or the other, whatever you want to do. You could actually take it. Let's make a copy of that and move it over. You could take this whole thing and group it together and use the twirl tool on it and kind of just, twirl it to your, whatever you think is cool. It doesn't have to be the original, and you could swipe through it back and forth or use this one. But let's use that one since that's a group already. And let's take our word or whatever, text you want. Now, if you notice was created earlier, so it's on the back layer. So let's go to object order, front of page. Now it needs to be totally in there, and you could stretch it. This is something that doesn't really matter as long as you get all that black letter in there. Let's get this one out of the way, and let's select both these and go to intersect, and I think it looks so good. You could put it, it's still a text, so you could do two things. You could put an outline around it, make the outline a little thicker. I like it without an outline and print it on something that is a different color, like black, object order, back of page. That's pretty cool. I like that little tail right there, and it's non-perfect. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.